Job climate. Right now, many employers are addressing a shortage of STEM professionals. This weekend, we're learning about an event hoping to inspire tomorrow's innovators. And joining me in studio to tell us about the Energy Day Festival is founder of Consumer Energy Education Foundation, David Holt. Good morning.
Thanks, Haley.
Yeah, thanks for coming in. So first, tell us, why is this so urgent that people need to maybe learn about STEM and kind of guide their children into careers with STEM?
Well, first, we're facing a $3.5 million shortfall in STEM employees just in the next year. Now, that's nationally. So Houston being the energy capital of the world, right, we really want to try to energize STEM, right? So Energy Day is a big festival. This is our 13th annual Energy Day Festival.
Nice.
Thousands of kids, families come out. It's right there at Sam Houston Park, downtown Houston. It's going to be a beautiful day, as you guys were just talking about. And over the last 12 years, we've given out almost $200,000 in awards and scholarships for STEM competitions. And it's really about getting those 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th graders to understand the practical applications of STEM, you know, understanding that Houston is, again, the energy capital of the world. So from Technip to Chevron to Oventive to Sonova, wind, solar, hydro, oil, natural gas, carbon capture, technology, all these things have a STEM application. So the more these industry leaders in Houston, Caterpillar, even HEB, University of Houston, NASA, they're all out there trying to kind of excite young hearts and young minds about what STEM means for their future. And here's some really cool things you can do with it from a real world perspective.
So they'll be there at Energy Day talking about the opportunities in companies, in these local companies here?
Oh yeah, and dozens more. There'll be about 70 or so exhibitors, 70 experiments for kids to kind of get their hands, you know, dirty a little bit.
Oh yeah, they love
walk
that.
around and just really, you know, experiment and takes things away, and it's really kind of rewarding to see the faces get excited about it.
We're looking at video right now. You can see some of the vendors and the activities that they have for kids. Will this be fun for kids? Do they have a good time? I mean, sometimes when we talk about job fairs, it's not exactly fun, but it looks like kids are enjoying what they see out there.
It's a great time. It's fun for the whole family, and it's not really a job fair. It's really about STEM experiments. It's, you know, you walk up to the Caterpillar exhibit and you understand about, you know, what modern machines do from a STEM perspective. You walk up to the Technip exhibit and you understand about technology and innovation and what new STEM innovation is going to mean for these 7th, 8th, 9th graders. Even vocational training, even workforce development from a college perspective or a 2-year VOTEC perspective. You know, what jobs are available today?
So they're not really too young at that age to start learning about futures in jobs in these markets?
Absolutely not. And Haley, one of the rewarding things about it is we're already having kids that came to Energy Day 10 years ago that are now coming back that have jobs at Chevron or other companies here in Houston that are now volunteering for Energy Day. So you see the immediate return. It's really an exciting day.
Yeah, so tell people when and where the festival is going to be.
So it's this Saturday, October 19th. It's always the 3rd Saturday of October. It's a City of Houston event now. It's from 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Downtown Houston and Sam Houston Parkway, right there at Bagby and Walker.
Yeah, we've got the details right there on your screen. And tell us where we can go to learn more. Is there a website or something where we
EnergyDayFestival.org. You can find out everything you need to know.
Do you have to buy tickets there?
No, it's free. It's free, family fun. Come, stay as long as you want. It's a great time.
I love it. What else would you like people to know before I let you go?
Stay in school, stay in STEM. I mean, there's great opportunities in STEM, even if you're looking at it from an electrician or a mechanic perspective. Really good, high-paying jobs. We need more folks to stay in STEM. Like I said, 3.5 million job opportunities just in the next year alone. And Houston being the energy capital, we're really the leader in this. We can do a lot more.
Sometimes we hear a lot about more girls joining STEM, but you're saying that really we just need a whole lot more people in the workforce.
We need more girls. We need more boys. We need to stay in the sciences.
Come on out.
Absolutely.
All right, David Holt, thank you so much for joining me. That was great information. And there's still more ahead. A live look at the White House right now. More people are